I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Erlikh and Pomerantz family for dedicating this Torah. It's in memory The Torah is in memory of Malvina Erlikh, Malka Bas Shmuel. It's a great merit, it's a great honor for the person's soul that a Torah is written in their memory. She passed away earlier this year, and we are celebrating her life. Not her passing, but her life. We're celebrating her life by writing the Torah, which is alive. In Hebrew, it's called Torah's Chaim, the living Torah, because the Torah is alive. We, the Jewish people, keep it alive. We're going to dance and celebrate. It's an honor for every man to hold the Torah. Everyone will have a chance. So, let's time to celebrate.
שישו ושמחו בשמחת תורה ותנו כבוד לתורה 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 ושמחו בשמחת